Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a minimal Android launcher setup, and it's a super themed launcher like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Highland Launcher home screen from the Play Store first. So you can get this super minimal look theme, a greenish theme on your mobile phone by using this launcher. In the top you can find the date, time and widget of the weather and also the Google search. In the bottom section you can find the super cool designed green white icon pack. So overall it look like so minimal and simple. In the second page you can find some application with the followed by the same theme color green and white. So if you just need a simple and also a minimal launcher, you can just get this launcher and you can just apply this theme. And you just go to the setting option first and go to the theme section and swipe down, and you can find this exact theme setup on theme number 26, and then click the theme and just apply the theme. You can get the exact theme setup, and here you have some other options like app driver settings and a lot of the more options to the launcher. You can change whenever you just need it. And this is the app driver, which is so simple. You can find all the applications and also the side alphabetic settings. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.